Hello everyone. This week you will be writing an analytical essay. So first, it's really important to know what analysis is. You previously wrote a narrative essay, which means you wrote an essay which used storytelling strategies. A narrative essay is a type of personal essay. This week you're writing an analytical essay, which means that it's an essay that incorporates analysis. Analysis just means breaking down a topic into its parts. So, if you were going to analyze the COVID-19 crisis, maybe you would talk about how President Trump is dealing with the crisis. You would talk about the way that it's impacted the Philadelphia community. And maybe you'd talk about how it relates to education at CCP, how it's impacted CCP education. Notice that you're not necessarily giving your opinions in an analysis paper. You can break a topic down and give your opinions, but you're talking about the topic by making it more manageable, by looking at what parts fit together to form the main issue for a topic. So it's sort of like having a puzzle and breaking apart the pieces to look at them each individually in slightly more depth. So if you were writing an analytical essay about technology, maybe you'd pick a form of technology and then talk about 3 aspects of that form of technology. If you're writing about the iPhone, maybe you'd write about the apps, maybe you'd write about the size of the phone, maybe you'd write about the price of the phone. You're really breaking it down. So when you get to persuasion, you're going to be writing essays that are persuasive essays. This is a type of analysis where you're using your opinion. So when you are trying to persuade someone, you're still breaking topics down usually, but you're also providing your opinion to try to convince someone of your point. So analysis is breaking things down into smaller parts. So that your reader can understand better. Narrative is using storytelling in writing. And persuasion is convincing your reader through your writing of your opinion. Okay, so where we've been, you've done narrative essay writing, you've used storytelling in your writing. Now you're working on analysis. It's more structured. You're breaking down a topic or a point so that your reader can see the smaller pieces of it. And then we're going to be moving to persuasion, which will be convincing your reader about an opinion that you have. Good luck with your analytical essays.